How to print grid lines in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to print grid lines in Excel in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Excel and make sure you have typed in your data. Now, on the very top, you'll see page layout. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll see grid lines right there, and you just have to tick on print, and when you print this document, grid lines will appear on your data. However, I'll show you a more easier way. You can just go to home and then select your data, and then go to the borders option right here, and then tap on the drop down and tap on all borders, and that's it. This is how you make grid line appear. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.